So in this Blender tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly mirror an object and then have it work with auto mirror very quickly. So you can get into modeling really fast without having to do the tedious workflow of mirroring your object with a modifier by hand. So first, let's go ahead and go to object mode, press X, delete this, press Shift A, grab a mesh, new cube. Normally, when you want to mirror an object, you need to slice it in half. So you press Tab, then you press Control R, then you make a loop cut right there. Then you press 1 so I can see the vertices over here. I'll select those vertices, press X, delete the vertices, tab out. Then I'll add a modifier and I'll add mirror and I'll select clipping. And then I can tab back into edit mode and I can press 3 to select these sides. And then everything is happening just as I expect it to with the mirror command. But that's a lot of steps. There's a much easier way. So let's go ahead and tab back to object mode, press X to delete this cube, press Shift A, grab a new cube, and let's do it the easy way. If we press N, we get this nice menu that pops out and we can select edit. It goes item, tool, view, edit, twirl out auto mirror, and just click auto mirror. So now it's done everything. It's sliced the object in half and we're ready to go with our mirroring. So we can continue to work with this object very quickly, and it doesn't take any time to do the mirroring like it would before. And so that's really, really nice way to do things. And we can quickly make interesting forms without having to spend a lot of time working on the mirror. But you say you don't see the edit command and you don't see auto mirror. That's because it's an add-on and we need to make sure it's enabled. So go to edit, preferences, then you have all these places that you can see. And if I go to add-ons, I already have it searched, but I can look in the search bar and I can type auto and then make sure you have mesh auto mirror enabled. And then you'll be able to use the auto mirror add-on right under the edit command here. It's a great way to speed up your modeling workflow in Blender. Happy 3D modeling.